17th problem, the most important problem, 17th problem. These problems, so that is a 13 to 16. One problem is compulsory for 3 mark question. So 40 compulsory, every year they are giving. So you can tick 13, 14, 15, 16. We can prepare means 3 mark question is compulsory. Okay, na? Right. 17 is the 6 mark question in examination. Maxima, minima mean they will give the 17th question along that one small problem, BBTs. So compulsory they will give. So maxima, minima mean 17th problem. Everyone see the 17th problem. Everyone observe 17th problem. I will read because of this is the word problem. So this is a very long. I will read. See in our textbooks only. A square piece of a tin of side 18 centimeters. Here one tin is that means one sheet is there. That is the tin sheet means iron sheet is there. It is a square shape. The length of this side is the 18. Okay, na? Length of this side is the 18. Next one. Each length of this side is the 18. Made into a box without top. So by cutting the squares from each corner and folding up the flap from the box. Okay, na? Right, everyone. So total this is the one corner he will be cut. Square piece of the corner, square piece of the corner, square piece of the corner, square piece of the corner. That means this length is, this is the, let it be x, this is the square corner, let it be x. Therefore total is the 18 and this paper is deleted. Then this paper is they are going to cut. This paper is they are going to cut. This paper also they are going to cut. This paper also they are going to cut. Therefore, the length will become as a total is the 18. The length, this is the cutting. Therefore, it will become as a 18 minus 2x. This length is the 18 minus 2x. This length also 18 minus 2x. This length also 18 minus 2x. This is also 18 minus 2x. It is also 18 minus 2x. So here is the 18 minus 2x. Here also x part, here also x part is cutted. So now we can fold. So this part is fold upside, this part is fold upside, this part is fold upside, this part is fold upside. It will become as a open box. Okay, na? Open box. Open box volume, what is the given is the maximum volume of the open box is maximum. What is the volume of the open box is length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. Okay, na? Alright, everyone, we can be start. Here is the, I am going to take volume of the maximum function. Everyone, write down this 17th problem important. Let x be the length of the each corner of the square right, now write down maximum function is volume of the open box. Maximum function is volume of the open box. Volume of the open box. Right. X be the length of the each corner. What we are going to cut, each corner we are going to cut. Therefore volume, this is the f of b. volume formula is length into breadth into height. This is the square, length also same 18 minus 2x, breadth also same 18 minus 2x because of square, it is a square. Height is, what is the cutting of the square is the x, it is upside means height is the x only, therefore height is x, therefore height is x, okay na? Right, f of b is equal to 18 minus 2x whole square into x. 18 minus 2x whole square. Once again see, everyone you can prepare one, take square paper, each corner you can be cut and make it as an open bar. Height will become as the same x because of cutting part is the x. This is the height will become as this part. Height will become as this part. So we are closing this part. We are closing this part means height will become as x. Therefore height is the x. Further, what they are going to asking is the values is required. So what he is asking is the corner folding up. What should be the side of this square? X value is required. For x value is required. For values is required means immediately only one time derivative, make it as a 0. Okay na? First time derivative apply maximum. Everyone apply the first time derivative. Everyone apply the first time derivative. Everyone apply the first time derivative, and second one derivative with respect to x function. So derivative of f of b with respect to x. Therefore u into 18 minus 2x whole square is a silent Kirchhoff. X derivative is the 1. X is the silent Kirchhoff and derivative is the 2 into 18 minus 2x. All next derivative of 18 minus 2x, derivative of 18 minus 2x by the chain rule. So derivative of 18 minus 2x, so 2 minus 1. Next derivative of n minus 1 into derivative of 18 minus 2x is equal to 0. Next I will do it is a maximum. He is telling that maximum means minus value is required. Second time derivative, right? First time derivative you can apply. First time derivative is completed. So f dash d of f of b by with respect to x is equal to 18 minus 2x is common. So here is 18 minus 2x. Here is 18 minus 2x is common. Here is the 2x. Here is the minus 2. Total is the minus 4x. Minus 4x. Therefore, derivative of f of b with respect to x is equal to 18 minus 2x into 18 minus 6x. 18 minus 2x into 18 minus 6x. Okay na? Alright, second time derivative you can see compulsory it will become as a maximum means negative value. So already you can see d square f of b by dx square. In examination also write because of 6 mark question. U into b formula 18 minus 2x silent. 18 minus 6x value is the minus 6, and next 18 minus 6x is the silent. 18 minus 2x derivative is the minus 2, right? So a minus 18 into 6, 48, 108, minus plus 12x. Here is 80 minus 36 minus is the plus 12x. Minus is the plus 12x. So now f dash x make it as a 0. We get the positive value. make it as a 0. So now we get x is equal to 9 and x is equal to 3. At 9 only become as a maximum, at x is equal to 3 only maximum. First x is equal to 9 substitute. So this is minus 108. So a d square y x is equal to 9 substituting d square f of b by dx square. In that one x place is I am substituting 9 minus 108 minus 36. 12 into 9 is a 108 plus 108. 108 plus 108. 108 is cancelled. Total is a positive value. Positive means it is the minimum fail. X is equal to 9 is the fail. Next, d square f of y by dx square at x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 substitute. So minus 108. 12 into 3 is the 36 minus 36. 12 into 3 is the plus 36. These two are cancelled. So 108 plus 36 is the negative. Negative means it is the maximum. Therefore x is equal to 3 is the correct value. X is equal to 9 is rejected. X is equal to 9 rejected. At x is equal to 9 we are getting the minimum value. Rejected. And now take the x is equal to 3 is the correct answer. X is equal to 3 is the correct answer. Everyone, this is the most important. Second derivative also you can find out and you should be work out. Everyone clear now? So you can one time you can take one small paper, square paper, cut each corner is a 3 centimeters, square part, and close the four flaps. This flap, this remaining part is called as a one flap. Flap means leaf. One rib, okay na? So this part you can make it as a upside. This part make it as a upside. This part make it as a upside. This part make it as a upside. It will become as a open box. Height of the open box is the same x only. Same x only. Volume you can see it will become as a open box after upside of the flaps. It is the most important question. 17th problem. Right. This is a new sheet already I will put in our WhatsApp. 18th problem I am going to complete. I will try. If you have time means 18 will be I will complete. It is also long procedure problem, word problem. I will read. Because of write means it will take more time. I will read. You can see in our textbooks only. A rectangular sheet of tin 45 centimeters by 24 centimeters mean rectangular length is 45, breadth is 24 centimeters is given, is to be made into a box without top by cutting the square from each corner, same model, and folding up flap. What should be the side of the square to be cut off so that the volume of the box is maximum? Same problem, but here is, so what is the length is 45, breadth is, what is the given by breadth is the 24. Same problem, right everyone? 18th problem we can take. 18th problem, completed candidate start. 18th problem. Let x be the length of each corner of the square. Maximum function is volume of the open box. Breadth is 24 minus 2x. Here also 24 minus 2x. This is the breadth. Length is 45 minus 2x. 45 minus 2x. Here also 45 minus 2x. This is the rectangle. Write down f of p is equal to length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. Length is 45 minus 2x. Breadth is 24. 24 minus 2x. Height is always x. Height is always x. X multiply any one of the bracket. 45 minus 2x. Multiply for the 24 into x minus 2x square. Now apply the u into v formula. Right, maximum is required. X value we get two values, but one will be give the maximum. Here x values are two values. One is the 9 and 3, but 9 will be failed. It is giving the minimum value. X is equal to 3 is giving the maximum value. We take the maximum. Right, everyone start. Do the derivatives. 45 minus 2x. 45 minus 2x is the silent. 24x is the 24 minus x square derivative is the 4. 2x, that is the 4x. Next one is 24x minus 2x square is the silent. 45 is the 0. Minus 2x derivative is the 1. Right, everyone make it as a simplification. Second time derivative write down d square y by dx square. Second time derivative also write down. First you have to make simplification. First you have to make simplification. First, now it will become as a don't go through the simplification. Simplification means it will become as again first part is the u into v. 45 minus 2x is the silent into minus 4. 24 minus 4x is the silent into minus 2. First part is the u into v is over. Second part is minus 2. 24 x derivative 1 minus 4x. Right. V square f by dx square is completed. Okay, now first part make it as a 0. d of v by dx make it as a 0. Find out the x value, everyone. Find out the x value carefully. Here is everyone. Part multiply and find out the x values. Multiply and find out the x values, everyone. By the multiplication, 45 into 24. 45 into 24 is a 1080. 1080 minus 180x. Minus 180x. 45 into 24 is a 1080. 45 minus 4x is a 180x. Minus 48x. Minus 48x. Minus minus is a plus 8x square. Next, minus 48x. Minus minus is the plus 4x square is equal to 0. Right, simplify everyone. So simplification, and then we have to make, so this part is everyone simplify. 12x square minus 276x plus 1080 is equal to 0. Divide with the 12. Divide with the 12. So x square minus 23x plus 90 is equal to 0. Factors write down. X minus 5, x minus 18, x minus 5, x minus 18 is equal to 0. X is equal to 5 and 18. X is equal to 5 and x is equal to 18. First x is equal to 5 substitute, we get the maximum or minima. X is equal to
స్టాప్ చేస్తాను